Hello guys, what's up? Hope so you all are fine. So without wasting your and mine precious time, let's get started. Hello guys, in this video I am gonna tell you about the best iPhone apps, so if you don't want to miss some really useful apps, so make sure to watch the full video till the end. All the apps download links are mentioned in the description box for your convenience. Now, we're diving into the App Store, your ultimate destination for discovering the best apps for your devices. Whether you're looking for productivity tools, games, or creative apps, the App Store has it all. With millions of options at your fingertips, finding exactly what you need has never been easier. First, let's talk about navigation. The App Store is super user-friendly. Browse through categories like top charts, new releases to find trending apps. Or use the search function to find something specific, like a workout tracker or a photo editor. One of the coolest features? The personalized recommendations. The more you explore, the better suggestions get, so you'll always find something that suits your interests. And don't forget about the reviews. Before you download, check user ratings and feedback. It's a great way to see what others think and make informed choices. Once you find an app you love, downloading it is just a tap away. Plus, with seamless updates, you'll always have the latest features and improvements. So, whether you're a gamer, a student, or just looking to enhance your daily life, App Store is your go-to hub. Ready to explore? Open the App Store today and discover your next favorite app. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the second app of the list. Hey there, photo enthusiasts! Want to take your editing game to the next level? Meet Snapseed, the ultimate photo editing app that puts powerful tools right at your fingertips. With Snapseed, you can enhance your images with just a few taps. Whether you're a pro or just starting out, our intuitive interface makes it easy to adjust brightness, contrast, and color saturation to achieve the perfect look. But that's not all. Explore our wide range of filters and effects to add that unique touch to your photos. From vintage vibes to modern aesthetics, you'll find the perfect style for every shot. And here's the best part, Snapseed offers advanced editing tools like selective adjustments, curves, and healing. Say goodbye to distractions and hello to picture-perfect moments. Need inspiration? Check out our tutorials to learn tips and tricks from the pros. You'll be editing like a master in no time. Ready to create stunning images? Download Snapseed. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the third app of the list. Looking for a smarter way to connect and create? Meet ChatGPT, your personal AI assistant that's here to help you every step of the way. With ChatGPT, you can have conversations on just about any topic, whether you need help with homework, want to brainstorm ideas, or just feel like chatting. It's like having a knowledgeable friend available 24/7. Need a hand with writing? ChatGPT can assist you in drafting emails, crafting stories, or even generating creative content. Just share your ideas and watch them happen. But it doesn't stop there. Our intuitive interface makes it easy to ask questions and get instant answers, saving you time and effort. Plus, ChatGPT learns from your preferences, providing personalized responses tailored just for you. Want to explore new hobbies or learn something new? ChatGPT can suggest recipes, provide workout tips, or even guide you through coding challenges. The possibilities are endless. Ready to elevate your daily life? Download ChatGPT. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the fourth app of the list. Want to protect your online privacy and browse the web securely? Meet NordVPN, your go-to solution for safe and private internet access. With NordVPN, you can surf the web with peace of mind. Our advanced encryption technology keeps your data safe from hackers and prying eyes, whether you're using public Wi-Fi or your home network. Connecting to thousands of servers worldwide is just a tap away. Whether you're looking to access your favorite shows, bypass geo-restrictions, or just browse anonymously, NordVPN has you covered. Worried about speed? Don't be! Our ultra-fast servers ensure you can stream, download, and browse without interruptions. Enjoy your favorite content in high definition, all while staying secure. Plus, with features like a strict no-logs policy and automatic kill switch, you can trust that your privacy is our top priority. Stay in control of your online experience. Ready to browse freely and securely? Download NordVPN. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Now we are heading towards the fifth app of the list. Ready to dive into the world of American Sign Language? Meet the ASL app, your fun and interactive learn ASL at your own pace. With a vast library of video lessons, the ASL app makes it easy to pick up essential signs and phrases. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, our engaging lessons cater to all levels. Want to learn in a way that sticks? Our intuitive interface lets you practice with real-life scenarios, ensuring you're ready for everyday conversations. Plus, you can rewind and replay any lesson until you feel confident. But it's not just about learning. Connect with a vibrant community of fellow learners. Share tips, ask questions, and celebrate your progress together. Need motivation? With daily challenges and rewards, the ASL app keeps your learning journey exciting and fresh. Ready to make communication accessible and fun? Download the ASL app. App download link is given in the description box for your convenience. Make sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button.